I've been sitting on this for weeks because someone's birthday present was hiding in here. Right, but now the secret's out. Let me show you what I picked up from the Space NK opening and why each one made the cut. First item is the viral Space NK bag. They also had customization there. It was incredible. I picked up the Flamingo bag. I need one of each colour. I need every size. But I just stuck with this for now. I need to pop this on my bag like ASAP and fill it with lots of minis. It's just so cute, I can't go. I'm obsessed with hair care and always want my hair to look its absolute best. I picked up the brand new Colour Wow Money Laundering shampoo and conditioner. This literally sold out, so I'm so glad I picked it up. And maybe I dove into this bag and maybe this is what I wash my hair with. I love the range generally. I've got the Money Mist and the Money Mist and the Money Mask. Just look at that shine, girl. I picked up another viral moment with Bioma, the Bio-Collagen Radiance facial mask. This is a mask that I've seen so many people use. And yes, you can get affordable beauty in Space NK now, which is what I love about it. If you want plumped, juicy, firm, illuminated skin, this is your mask. This is going to be so good for summer vacations where your skin is parched. This brand is having a real viral moment, this Saltaire. This is the Salt Water Vanilla Multi-Lipid Body Butter. My skin is still not quite recovered yet. I still really lack a lot of volume and density in it. But this smells so summery. I was really torn between this one and the pink scent. I think I'll just have to go back for the pink scent. But this is like holiday in a pot. It is beautiful. I can't wait to glow from head to toe. And it's a really affordable brand. Following on nicely is their deodorant. This is the Santal Bloom 5% AHA. The AHA is really good to keep smells at bay, to keep you smelling very fresh. And so the ingredients in there basically helped with any darkness that you might have under the pits and any brightening, as well as sort of helping manage that bacteria under the pits. This has been on my list to try for a while, the Necessaire body lotion. I know, 2 body lotions, what am I like? This is a multi-peptide emulsion. I think it's very lightweight, it's not heavy and sticky, and this body just needs a lot of love. I cannot wait to try this brand. The final-ish product is the gift I got for Chris, which was the Eccentric Molecule Discovery set. This is all the fragrances in there that are Molecule 1, but paired with a different scent, like patchouli, iris, mandarin, guaiac wood, black tea, and ginger. And they are beautiful. He loved patchouli and he wanted to explore other ones. I thought, spoil him with this. And look at that really cool packaging. What a brand. And on opening day, with every purchase, you were able to choose something from the pick and mix. I chose the Dyson Chitosan Post-Style Serum. I can't wait. I've never tried Dyson styling products and I'm an Airwrap girly, so very excited for this. And we got spoiled with a complimentary Environ Focus Care Youth Revival Mask. And in store, they actually offer Environ facials and treatments. Who knows, maybe I'll get to experience one of those one day, but it was a salon brand that's come into store now. If you haven't been to the new Bath store yet, genuinely, get it in your diary. It's a beauty lover's paradise and your points will thank you. Thank you for having me, Space NK. And congratulations to the whole team, because the store is like chef's kiss, beautiful, with the most knowledgeable, friendly staff working there.